Hello everyone, I am Darshani, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. In the previous sessions, you have learnt homomorphisms, properties of homomorphisms. In this session, you are going to learn the kernel of homomorphism and range of homomorphism. Suppose if I have a group G and group G dash, and let f be the homomorphism from group G into group G dash. Suppose the function f is not onto, then every element of G dash need not have a preimage in G. And the set of all elements which has preimage in G might be much smaller set than the actual G dash. And that set is known as the range of homomorphism. Let me define homomorphism formally. If f from G to G dash is a homomorphism, then the set denoted by R is equal to f of x, where x belongs to G is known as range of the homomorphism f. Again, I consider a group homomorphism f from group G into group G dash. Now the set of all elements in group G which maps to the identity element of group G dash is known as kernel of homomorphism. Suppose if E dash is the identity element of group G dash, then the kernel of the function f is in fact equal to the set f inverse of E dash. Let me define kernel of a homomorphism formally. Suppose if f from G to G dash is a group homomorphism, then the set K is equal to x belongs to G, where f of x equal to E dash, where E dash denotes the identity element of G dash is known as kernel of homomorphism, and it is denoted by the letter K or kernel of f. Now let us solve some examples. Find the range and kernel of the homomorphism f from additive group of real numbers to multiplicative group of positive real numbers defined by f of x equal to e to the power of x. First, I find out the range of this homomorphism. We know that the range is a set R defined by f of x, where x belongs to domain. So the range of this homomorphism is e power x, f of x is e power x, where x belongs to the domain, domain is given by R. Next, to find out the kernel of this homomorphism, first I should know the identity element of codomain group. The codomain group is multiplicative group of positive real numbers. I know that the identity element of this group is 1. So the kernel of f is given by x belongs to R, where f of x equal to 1. To find out all those values of x for which f of x will be equal to 1, I consider f of x equal to 1, where x is a real number. Given that f of x is e power x equal to 1, the only real value of x for which e power x will be equal to 1 is 0, x equal to 0. So the kernel of f is singleton 0. Consider the next example. Find the range and kernel of the homomorphism f of x equal to x square on the multiplicative group of non-zero real numbers. That is, the given group is R star dot, where the set R star denotes the set of all non-zero real numbers. First, let me write the range of this homomorphism, which is the image set. F of x is x square, where x belongs to R star. Next, to find out the kernel, first I should know the identity element of this group. I know that this is a multiplicative group, so the identity element is 1. So the kernel is given by x belongs to R star, where f of x equal to 1. Consider f of x equal to 1. Given that f of x is x square, if I solve this equation for x belongs to R star, I get x equal to plus 1 or minus 1. So the kernel is a doubleton set which contains plus 1 and minus 1. Now consider the next example. Find the kernel of the homomorphism f from additive group of real numbers to multiplicative group of non-zero complex numbers defined by f of x equal to e power 2 pi ix. First, to find out the kernel, we should know the identity element, which is 1. So the kernel is given by x belongs to domain is R, where f of x equal to 1. I should find out all those elements in R for which f of x will be equal to 1. Consider f of x equal to 1. F of x is given by e to the power of 2 pi ix. I know that e power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. E power I 2 pi x is cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x, which is equal to 1. Now if I compare the real and imaginary parts, I get cos 2 pi x equal to 1 and sin 2 pi x equal to 0. I need to find out the common solution for this. If x is an integer, this will be equal to minus 1 power 2x, which will be equal to 1. And I know that sin n pi is 0, so sin 2x, if it is an integer, sin 2 pi x will be also equal to 0. So the kernel is the set of all integers. Consider the next example. Show that the function f from c plus to r plus defined by f of x plus iy equal to x is a homomorphism, and also find its kernel. Here the complex number is mapped to the real part of that number. First, f is a homomorphism. If I consider z1 plus z2, where z1 z2 are complex numbers, if the real part of z1 is x1 and the real part of z2 is x2, then the real part of z1 plus z2 will be x1 plus x2. So here I get x1 plus iy1 plus x2 plus iy2. This will be equal to x1 plus x2. x1 is the real part of z1, x2 is the real part of z2. So this can be written as f of z1 plus f of z2. And this is true for all z1, z2 belongs to C. So f is a homomorphism. Next, to find out the kernel, first we should know the identity element of codomain group. It is an additive group, so the identity element is 0. So the kernel is given by z, for which f of z is 0. Suppose if z is equal to x plus iy, then f of x plus iy equal to 0. I need to find out all complex numbers x plus iy, for which f of x plus iy is equal to 0. By definition, f of x plus iy is x equal to 0. When I put x equal to 0 here, I get iy. When I put x equal to 0 here, so kernel of f will be equal to iy, where y belongs to R. So the kernel is the set of all complex numbers for which x is equal to 0. Now I consider one more example. Find the kernel of the homomorphism f of n equal to I power n from additive group of integers, that is z plus, to multiplicative group of fourth roots of unity, that is g dot, where g is 1 minus 1, I and minus I. First, we know that the identity element of multiplicative group of fourth roots of unity is 1. So the kernel is the set of all integers for which f of n is equal to 1. I know that f of n is defined by I to the power of n. I to the power of n equal to 1, where n belongs to z. We know that I power n will be equal to 1 if and only if n is a multiple of 4. That is, n is equal to 4k for some integer k. So the kernel is given by 4k where k belongs to z or 4z.